Tested testicles, and we're live. Well, actually, no, we're not live. I haven't edited it yet. Well, anyway, blah, 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 blah. I've got a driveway to clean and a patio to seal. So this is a garden we're working in, somewhere which I did this years ago. And we've got a patio here, Indian sandstone, almost golden sand multi. But it's a bit of a brown, and I added some other tiles to make it colourful. But unfortunately, we can't seal it today, nor this bit here, because it's just been drizzling with rain and we can't do it. So I would like to thank Aspects for sending me this stuff over today. This is a natural stone intensifier, so this should bring back the colour lovely, especially on some of them in particular. Ones like that should just shine. But we can't do that today, like I said, it's wet. So we're going to do the driveway, which I did about 6-7 years ago, something like that. Let's have a look. This is a permeable driveway in tegular of some sort, and it's about 109 square meters as well. I did the artificial grass here years ago. That's still looking good. So we'll clean off the wall as well. We'll get the wall cleaned up, and we'll do the front there as well. But this is the drive, and I'm going to bring it back to life today by doing some pressure washing. And as for measuring this up, every time I use the Mosier, well, this gives me the perfect calculation of exactly what the job is, being fair to the customer, whatever the meter was for this. I think it was 109. I'll put it up on the screen and then just charge that by a meter rate, and you know, the customer knows I'm measuring up the right amount. Blah 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 blah. Get yourself a Mosier, they're awesome. I know it's not a petrol one, but it's an Ilfis Premium 200. It's still got 200 bar. It still does the job. It's just a bit slower. So I know there'll be loads of people out there saying, oh, you got to get yourself a petrol one, get yourself a petrol one. Yeah, I know, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. It just takes me a bit longer. Don't worry about it. It's fine. So I got to plan my route now. So what's the best way of planning a route? Start at the back, downhill. As Ozzy Osbourne would say, rock and roll. So now I got the majority of it up. Now I want to get some of the shit off the wall, but I don't want to take the paint off. So I'm going to use all the bits I've got. So I've got this gentle one, which isn't as hardcore as the turbo. So I'm going to give that a bit of a blast over next and just keep working my way down that way. All right, let's get some crap off the wall without damaging it. And I'm bringing you a bit closer in the meantime. There we go. All sat up, got your popcorn out, just roll yourself a fag. Right, let's watch some of this stuff. Last thing I want to do is do some touch-up painting, because I'm shit at painting.
Hasn't the pace been a long bit, honey? Take a look at where we are. Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been a long bit, honey? Take a look at where we are. Isn't the day so exciting? Oh, honey, when I wake up, I'm feeling brand new. All I can say is I look like new money, and the only thing I know is true. I owe it to you, you, you. I owe it to you, you, you. I owe it to you, you, you. I owe it to you. You shine like a ray from the sun. There's something people look for but never can find.
Oh, I got bloody right stiff neck today. I don't know what's wrong with me, falling apart. Well, anyway, blah, 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 blah. See? Don't really need to have a petrol one for that. Still did it. It's electric, I know. Could have been faster if it was petrol. But if you're a new business thinking about going into something, just don't dive in there and go buy this, buy that, buy that. Start small, what I'm doing. Just go for a really good electric. The bonus with the electric, you haven't got that petrol motor going all the time. Bollocks of that. That only makes a noise when I press the button. It's only squirting water noise. So, but anyway, I'm gonna have a fag. Corner bits are always the shit bits to do because it just splashes back in your face everywhere. But then I should put a jacket on or something. And it is spitting as well, so just as well I didn't bother sealing the bit round the back today because I just wouldn't have worked. So yeah, she's really over the moon so far. Happy campers. Got myself a brew as well. So basically the plan is attack is get the majority of her off, get all the shit away from it, get the hypo on it, blast all that off after, and tomorrow, hopefully when the weather's a bit better, then I can do the bit around the back and I can re-grit it as well to the way it was when I originally did it donkey's years ago.
Really wanna
Only the rules who said you had to be all into me. Can we relax, take it off track, and we divide and conquer? These feelings we're having need to take off while we're landing. I want you to understand. Maybe you could give me a time to change your mind. But I really wanna change your point of view. Really wanna change to see what we can do. Really wanna change to show you something new. Really wanna change your point of view.
That's the once overdone, and it looks loads cleaner. Look at that. Couple of hours, bishity bosh. So yeah, that's done. I put the pressure washer on there. That came up really nice. So I might as well just do that. I'm not charging for that. It's just one of those things you just point and aim. It's not hard, is it? And I'm really actually enjoying myself. So right to the front as well. Give that a squirt over as well. Ooh, very professional. ASMR freaks. So this is one for you guys. Well, there's one thing I've just learned about cleaning walls. You put some goggles on. There's shit flies everywhere and I'm pissing covered. Now, we get the hypo out. So I do need to get better pump for sure. Right, this is going to be super slow, so camera off. Alright, that's the hypo-in done. That would have been painful to have watched, and it was painful to actually do. I did have a mask on though, that's good. Forgot about gloves. Alright, okay, here you go. Right, you can see how well the hypo works on the wall. See how much of it comes out. Oh dear. And you can see how well the hypo's done on here. Because the algae's stuck. The algae's stuck to the wall more so than the driveway. Driveway, not sure if it actually needed doing, but I bought it anyway, so sod it, use it. Should leave that half hour now for that to soak in and do its thing. And then I'll stick the gentle nozzle on the end with a 20-degree fan to get it off. Then I'm going to go home and have a sleep, wake up tomorrow, come back, and I'm going to stick some grit in it. Because I've blown some of it out, so I need to replace what I've blown out. And we're back the following day to brush in some 6mm limestone. This is going to fill up all the gaps which were blown out with a pressure washer. So we'll come back to this in a bit and see how nice it looks. Alright, all done. Happy days, clean as a whistle. So yeah, I need to drive back and forth and I see it was really dirty and you'd be like, oh, let's clean that one day. And yes, I've finally done it. And I've re-gritted it as well. So the colours come back out and it's just got that bit of life again. Makes me happy. Like and subscribe, see you on the next one.